So we're going for another walk, walking up a mountain. It's like La Pisa Lan or something. Everywhere is quite hard to pronounce and remember. So autumn's arrived. There's some beautiful brown leaves on the ground. I'm hoping to get some good shots up above the trees looking down over all the autumn trees. I think this walk's meant to be about 2 hours. I'm hoping 2 hours up, 2 hours back down. It's so steep here. What's that, like a 45-degree angle up this hill? Look at how many people are in the car park. It looks like this was a quite used track, but it looks like there's a path that could go that way, straight up the middle, or to the right. It's two yellow signs, but they're both pointing at each other. I'm not sure which way to go. Made it to the first little rest stop with a watering hole and a little park bench to sit on. And like always in Romania, here's all the animals to watch out for. Foxes, bears, deers, lynxes, wolves, more deer, maybe like little goat thingies, and bats. So we've just reached this big clearing. We came up through the woods in the dark and then popped out and there's this huge green area. It goes all the way up. You can see the mountains that I was hoping to climb. So I think we'll go a bit further, see what's around the corner a bit and then head back. Some of the trees are starting to change into their autumn colours. Should look beautiful in a month or less. And there's a little shepherd's hut up there. Some sheep on the ground. It's all grass. I take it there are some sheep there. Live here as well. A dog or a wolf lying down there. I think it's a dog. It's a dog. He doesn't mind me, just chilling out in the sun. So that is the ridge that I wanted to climb up to see across to the other side. But on Google it didn't look so far, it only looked like a 2-kilometre walk there, a bit of a climb, but that last bit looks very steep. Don't think I'll be able to get up there and back down today. It's very beautiful though. Doggy's come to say hello. Hello. Hey boy. You want a pet? No. Such a lovely area up here. It's nice and warm too because he's just getting all the sun. But it is starting to chill down. I got my jumper back on. Couldn't be a better day for it. So I've been at this little plateau for probably about an hour now. Had lunch, chilled out, looked at the view, flew the drone, and now it's time to start heading back down. So much faster going down. I've already passed the water point and the bench on the way down. I showed you on the way up. And I don't think there's actually all that much to go. It's a lot quicker on the way down. So I got back to the van. That walk was about 5 hours with like an hour and a half messing around, and it was a lot quicker coming down. It's a lovely day. Sadly we're kind of like in a valley at the moment, and when I started the sun was just at the start of the valley, and now it's like just at the end of the valley, so it's already getting dark and it's only like 2:30. So we might go for a drive and see what else is up the road. And if not, if I don't show anything, then we didn't find anything. Good shout.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.